customer was running the bathtub upstairs and it overflowed through the toilet. Right here is the problem. The line is full of water. It looks like it's collapsed right here. So whenever they run water, they're getting backflow back upstairs. It's totally under to the top. So what we need to do is go under here and give the pipe the correct slope, because it'll never drain correctly until we put the proper slope right here. And then you can see right here it starts to come out, and this is how it should look, but we're back over here, it just has too much water. So I'll give them the price to go under there and fix that belly.